This TRINI mango chow packs a punch and is the perfect appetizer for any feast. So let's get started. I'm going to start by prepping my ingredients. So I've got 1 garlic clove here and I'm just going to dice it up finely. Then I've got a bit of Scotch bonnet here and I'm also just going to dice this up. Traditionally, you'd also prep some coriander, but if you're not a coriander fan, which I personally am not, then you can just use spring onion as a substitute. So here I've got 1 spring onion stalk and I'm just going to dice it up finely as well. Now for the start of the show, the mango. I've got 1 large unripe mango and I'm just going to slice this up. Now you want to make sure for this meal that you go for an unripe mango, which packs a bit of a crunch instead of the ripe mango, which won't get you the same result. Now to start the process of combining everything, so I put my mango in a bowl and I also add in the garlic and the Scotch bonnet and the spring onions that I just chopped up. You don't want to squeeze the juice of 1 lime onto the mango. This also helps to preserve it if you want to keep it in the fridge. Now I've got some salt, pepper and a bit of hot sauce and a little bit of water just to help make it easy to mix it all together, and then you just want to mix this all together into your bowl. And there you have it. This is a very delicious meal just to snack on. I usually like to snack on this before I get into the real feast of the day. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.